This is the Range Rover Sport in Carpathian Grey. As you can see, it's got the carbon fibre exterior pack. You also have privacy glass, 22-inch black alloy wheels, this is the HST model, and this vehicle is also keyless. Going inside the car, you have a suede steering wheel and headlining, two-tone leather interior, illuminated aluminium tread plates. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, rear camera, sat-nav, and other functions which can be controlled using buttons on the wheel. You also have cruise control and a speed limiter, along with a heated steering wheel. This car also has heated front seats, which are also memory. You have head-up display, which stops you from getting distracted looking back down. A Meridian sound system. You also have blind spot assist and lane departure warning. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Sport HST model. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.